Hi, my name is attorney Armando Edmiston, and I'm here in Ybor City amidst the terrible tragedy that occurred 2 nights ago this past weekend when a driver crashes, comes down 7th Avenue, speeding, running away from police officer, and crashes into Bradley's, which is right here on the corner of 7th and 15th, right next to Copper Shaker. What brought me out here, I wanted to come see this beautiful memorial. Unfortunately, this incident that occurred on Saturday happened right next door to one of the businesses that I'm a part of and part owner. And so it's just tragic. So I wanted to come out and sort of survey the damage. I know that we had to have inspections done for this building because we were worried that it could potentially collapse. Well, my first reaction was I couldn't believe it. I called to make sure that all of our staff members were okay. I wanted to understand and take a look at the damage. And I couldn't believe that there was a high-speed chase that led into Ybor that caused this tragedy. I've been a member of this community. I went to USF. I've been coming to Ybor for close to 28 years and never heard of such a thing. I couldn't fathom it. I don't even think it was within the realm of possibilities. I mean, Ybor has had its problems, which is one of the things that I want to bring up and I want to bring attention to, that, I want to make Ybor safe. I want it to be safe for patrons. I want it to be safe for business owners. I want it to be safe for all the tourists. This is one of the few places that we have in Tampa that's historic. Anybody that comes to Tampa is coming to Ybor City. And I want it to be safe for everybody. So I'm a personal injury attorney. I've been practicing for 19 years. And safety is one of the main concerns, one of the issues we deal with on a daily basis, right? Whenever we either go after a business owner or a negligent driver or a business, it has to deal with safety a lot of times and how we want to make changes. And so we make changes by going after people and making them pay money, right? That's one of the only ways we can see change occur, is to have consequences. And one of the things is we would need more police presence. I think that would be a huge help. Right? So if you know that you're committing a crime and there's a lot of police in Ybor, you're not going to head to Ybor, right? The likelihood of you getting caught is going to go up, and it's going to be a deterrent. So I think we need a greater show of police force. I think that we could have those barricades that pop up and pop down. I think that they should consider closing 7th Avenue to protect people that are out here on 7th Avenue. They did that. They used to do it all in the 90s and in 2000s. 7th Avenue used to be closed. So I'm not sure why they reopened it. We do not see any precautions. I mean, we have seen there was an increased police presence, right, that they've slowly been driven in, but it isn't like it is in Orlando. And some of the other big cities that have a historic site, they are mobbed with police presence. We don't have that in Ybor. And I want that for Ybor. I want it to be a safe place that people want to come down to. And I think closing the street is one of the first steps that we should take towards safety. We should close the streets off on the weekends. So again, we're here to fight for you, and you should seek all of your legal remedies if you ever find yourself in this situation.